Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get up to $500 of payday loan with bad credit and without a credit sheet. Yes guys, you heard me right. This is the very interesting video so far because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a $500 of loan step by step. What will be the interest rate? What will be the application processing fees, what kind of interest rate you will be charged, what kind of documents will be needed to classify for this loan or verify for this loan. So I'll be discussing all these things in this video. So please make sure to watch this video because this is the video which can help people to get their things sorted. If you are needed to pay some rent and bills, then this $500 can help you a lot if you have a bad credit and you are not getting approved from another lender. So this is the video for you. If you are desperately looking for a loan, then this is the video for you. So let's get started. I'll be showing you all the things you should need to do to get this loan step by step. So let's follow me and follow each and every step I do in this video. So before we start the video, please, uh, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification icon so that whenever we upload the new video, you'll get notification of it. Because on this channel, we talk about like payday loans, personal loans, educational loans, business loans. So all these kind of things we talk about this channel. So please make sure to watch this other videos also. So let's get started with this video. So what you have to do is just go to the Google as usual, just type MakeHelpOf.com, which is our website. So the why am I telling you to do that? You have to click on this first option over here, and after that, after you come to this website, this is our website. Let me tell you something because this is the best website for this personal loans, payday loans, and no credit check loans. So what you have to do is just go to this search bar over here, and here you have to type possible because the lender we are going to do today is possible. So after that, you have to search for it, and after that, you will find a get $500 payday loan possible, a comprehensive review of their payday loans. So this is the article and this is the post where all the information is stored. And it may happen that I may not able to cover all the points in this video because this video, if I wanted to cover all the points, then this video will be very long, and that I don't want because longer videos aren't that informational. So I want to keep this video short and crispy. So all the necessary and the extra information is given in this article. So please make sure, I'm really suggesting you that before you go further with this lender, or if you want to go with this lender, please once come to this website, read our information, because on this website we have specified annual interest rate, minimum credit score, offer loan amount, eligibility, required documents, repayment terms, examples, and how we can apply, and final thoughts. So all the things we have covered in this article. So please make sure to come to this website and read this before you apply for the $500 personal loan. So let's get started with the video, and now let's review these payday loans. So let's start with the basics that payday loans are a short-term credit option that can provide you an extra cash with when you need it urgently, like paying an unexpected bill or a rent, like as I said. Okay, so they typically amount from like $500 or less than that. Possible is a company which is providing you the payday loans, and it is also called as cash advance. And the $500 when you took from them, you have to pay it on your next payment day, or your next like in a single payment, or your next payday. So it is basically designed on urgent situations, like if you want to cover an expected bill on and a rent. So that is the things we have to consider before you get for this loan. So the annual interest rate, As you may know that the payday loans are quite have quite high APR. Their APR can range up to 400% because they do charge, and their repayment terms are shorter, and that's why their APR are high. So if you borrowed $100, the amount fee can vary from 10 to $30 from every borrowed amount. So that is kind of high, but this is it when you go and look for the payday loans. So that is what it comes when you look for the payday loans. Otherwise you can go for options like personal loans. There are many personal loans videos I have made on my channel. Please make sure to check out them because they are the personal loans with high uh, amount, high loan amount, and with low APR. So please make sure to do check out them. So what is the minimum credit score you required? So there are other situations, as you can see, other things are also stated here, but we can't read all those things. You have to read it by yourself. Just go to this website. And the minimum credit score you required is, there is no minimum credit score required, as they said. Like if I want to show you their website over here, and let me tell you guys, we are not affiliated by their website. It is just for your convenience. When you come to this website, our MakeHelpOf.com, and this is just for your convenience to go directly to their website. So this is how their landing page looks like. Borrow up to $500 in minutes with a bad credit. So they are self-stating that they are giving $500 with a bad credit. So what you have to do is just download their app and follow the how to apply for a possible payday loans guide, and you can get the loan. Repay over the time and build your credit score. So another thing with this possible payday loans, which is uh, they are saying like we are different from our payday loans, is that they do build your credit score. So if you don't have credit score, or if you have bad credit score, just take the loan, pay it like repay it on time, and they will report it to the credit bureaus, and your credit will be improved. And if you don't have credit, your credit score will be generated, and which will be good if you repay it on the time. So that will be also the plus point here. It can help you to build your credit history. So fast and affordable payday loans alternative. So they are not saying they are payday loans, but they are saying like we are alternative to payday loans, but they're kind of payday loans. If even if they are not stating it, they are a payday loan provider. So here is the things, like they have an comparison chart, like they are possible loans, and here are the other kind of uh, paid loans. So money available in minutes. So yes, they are providing in minutes. Payback over multiple months. So payday loan do not provide payback over multiple months. They do not build your credit history, and you cannot apply them on your phone. But some are payday loans apps. You can apply it on your phone. So that is also the plus point with possible payday loans. Yes guys, this is the things, and the necessary information over here I have given it in my article. So please make sure to read this article, because you don't have to read this all these things if you read this shorter paragraph. Okay, so I guess I have covered all the things. Yeah, the repayment terms, the one more thing is up to the possible offer an installment loan made up of four equally divided payments to be paid over 8 weeks. So they do get you like 2 months of time. Possible also knows its customer 30 days grace period, the ability to update the payment dates, and in the app if needs. So there are various repayment terms, flexible repayment terms, and that is why possible is different from other payday loans. So this is an also plus point. Here are some examples. You can read it on this website. Okay, and that's it for this video. I hope you find it helpful, and if you find it helpful, please make sure to share it with your friends and families, because it's a loan and it can help them. No one knows like another person's situation, so it might be helpful to them if you are not, if it is not you. So please make sure to share this video with your friends and families. I guess that's it for this video. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned to the channel.